Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk and review about medications. I realized that the last video that I did on medication adherence, let me not forget video, was highly visited. So let's do another one in a little bit more in depth. I have some more ideas, and we'll review Medicare and Medicaid and other insurance and what they cover, what they don't cover in regards to medication and medication adherence or medication compliance that we want to call it. I've been terrible with my medications. However, things have changed, and now I seem not to forget any of my medications. I think it's been because of Alexa, and I have her to thank, because when you practice something over and over, it gets ingrained in your mind. So it's been really good. I have not forgotten any medications in quite a while. So I used to forget, and there used to be like pill, little packets everywhere in my room. It's like, no. But Alexa has been awesome, and she reminds me, when I'm in my room, or sends me a message on my phone, and, then I remember to go back and take XYZ medication, because I do take outside of hours or after lunch. After a while, I take another one, and so there's a variety of reasons why I would I would forget. But Alexa doesn't let me forget anymore, and I remember a lot of times on my own now. So that is awesome. But let's look at some ways that would help you not forget your medications and to take them on time. Alexa. Okay. So first of all, it was the pill box that we talked about. Remember, this has every day on it. Has every day, and it has the 3 times a day, so you can put your pills in there. So that works. And these little pill box in here come out. So if you're going to go out or something, you can take them with you. Put them in your pocket or your pouch or your purse or whatever, your little satchel, and put them in there, and you have it with you. So that is important. So it comes out of that whole box that I just showed you. So that's one simple way of remembering. Just fill them up for the whole week, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of pills, 3 times a day. So that is one way of doing it. The other one is apps. There are a lot of apps out there that you can put in your medications, the dosage, all that kind of stuff. And when you need to take them, it'll send you a reminder either by email, however you want it to text, or it'll sound an alarm for you to take the next medication. So there are apps, electronic apps, and I will put some names of some apps that I've tested and are pretty good to use. There are also electronic pill dispensers, but you have to remember to go to the dispenser to get your medications. So that is another thing. But let me read a few things about medication dispensers. So the big question is, does Medicare or Medicaid cover these pill dispensers in 2025? So this is up-to-date information. So Medicare and pill dispensers, what should you know? So in the majority of cases, Medicare will not cover pill dispensers. However, some automatic pill dispensers qualify for coverage as part of a remote therapeutic monitoring, RTM. I had no idea. So part of an RTM. So RTM coverage refers to a range of services used to deliver virtual care to patients in their homes. So Who knew? Some Medicare Advantage plans will cover pill dispensers. However, the coverage will vary by the plan and insurer. So there you go. So if you have an RTM and they're trying to help you be compliant with your medications, they can do it that way, and then the pill dispenser will be covered because they're helping you be compliant to follow through with your critical medications. So what is a pill dispenser? A pill dispenser, also called a medication dispenser or automatic medication dispenser, is a type of device that helps people manage their daily regimens of medications, particularly for those who have cognitive impairments and complex dosages of medications, and pill dispenser can help prevent errors. So that's really important to prevent those errors. So a pill dispenser cost. The cost of the pill dispenser can vary greatly, ranging from a low monthly cost to a high one-time purchase price. So all depends. For example, the Medicube pill dispenser costs $1,500. Alternatively, the Hero medication dispenser costs a one-time fee of $99, followed by a monthly payments of $45. So just all depends on the type of pill dispenser. So remote therapeutic monitoring, RTM, refers to the use of medical devices that monitor a person's health using non-physiological data. RTM can be used to monitor medication adherence, response to physical therapy, or respiratory activity, among others. So kind of like the heart monitors and things like that. They want to make sure you follow up with your respiratory therapy or your heart medications, all that kind of stuff. Chemotherapy, for instance. So it's some of that and all of that. So bottom line, while Medicare will not always cover medication dispensers, they may be covered if your device falls under RTM program. Additionally, some Medicare Advantage plans may offer coverage. So that is the answer in terms of the pill dispensers, the medication dispensers, and plans. So RTM or the dispenser by itself, or so just wanted to put that in there with more details so that we have a better understanding of the pill dispenser idea. Then your pharmacy can help a lot. They also organize the pills for you. You just have to request it at the pharmacy. Can you package my pills per my schedule? And they will certainly do that. They will bubble wrap each medication according to time. So then you have to just rip off the piece that you need to take at that moment. And all the pills that you need at that hour will be wrapped in bubble wrap. So, or if you bring them your box, then they will do it correctly for you. So you can do that. So the pharmacy is a big help, and you can use them as well. So we already talked about RTM, so that's good. So here are just more in-depth ideas on how to keep track with your medication. And of course, there's Alexa, who can assist you in, did you turn on? No, she knows I'm talking here to the camera. So she has a schedule that I put in to her. So she reminds me at certain times to take certain medications that I do on my own, and so I don't forget. And lo and behold, after that practice with her and going through this a few times, I don't forget. I just don't forget. I have no little packets laying around or forgotten medications. So that is awesome. That is really awesome. So if you're struggling with medications and you don't know what to do and how to stay on track, these are some good ideas. Ask for help from the pharmacy. Get an app that will set off an alarm Alexa, of course, um, the box pill dispenser, see if that helps you, and keep that close by. Uh, and so you can ask your insurance program and tell them the problem you're having, and they will assign a case manager to brainstorm with you what will be most helpful in your case. So that is what I have for medication management. That's what it's called. And see if one of those ideas will help you, because some of us take medication a little bit on the heavy side, and it's hard to remember the next thing that we have to do. And that's okay, because the medications control our pain and everything else. So so I will definitely put down below in the box below the video names of apps that you can that I've used to help you keep track of your next dose of medications. All right, folks, that is it for medications. I truly hope that this helps, because some of us really, really struggle with that. I struggled. I had little packets all over the place of medications I had forgotten. So, and that's not good. So now I don't do that. There's no packets anywhere. So that is good news for me. So I'm hoping that this will be helpful for you. See, I have some syrup on me from breakfast. Oh dear. Never mind about the medications. But anyway, take care of yourselves. Feel free to take care and help others. Feel free to do likes and subscribe if you want to hear about the next video. And I will see all of you in the next video.